Hello student, today I am taking next lecture on excretion. So first we will understand what is excretion. You know that different metabolic process take place inside of our body. After the metabolic process, different substances are formed. Some substances are used by our body, but some are the waste substances. These waste substances are removed by our body. This process is called excretion. But our body can excrete the waste substances in the form of urea, uric acid and creatinine. It means nitrogenous based substances. So after the metabolic process, the base substances are converted into nitrogenous based substances. Then these base substances are removed by the body with the help of kidney. This process is called excretion. I am writing the definition. Excretion is a process in which nitrogenous waste like urea, uric acid and creatinine are removed from our body is called excretion. It means these nitrogenous based are soluble. It means soluble nitrogen based. So after the metabolic process, all the base substances first are converted to the nitrogenous based like urea, uric acid and creatinine. They are soluble inside of the blood, so they can be removed by the kidney in the form of urine. So this process is called excretion. The excretion process is carried out by the excretory system. It means our body contains one organ system. It is called excretory system. This excretory system perform excretion function of our body. So first we will understand what is excretory system. Excretory system is a organ system which perform excretion function of our body. Excretory system contain one pair of kidney, number 2 one pair of ureter, number 3 urinary bladder, number 4 urethra. Excretory system contains one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, a urethra. I am drawing the diagram of Escherichia system like both are the kidney, these are the ureter, this is urinary bladder, and this is urethra, right? So these are the component of Escherichia system: one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. These are the kidney, and this is ureter, this is urinary bladder, and this is urethra, right? First, kidney. How many kidneys? One pair. One pair of kidneys are situated inside of the abdominal cavity, both sides of the vertebral column. These kidneys are reddish in color and bean shaped. They are like a bean shaped, right? These kidneys are situated in both sides of the vertebral column and near to the third lumbar vertebra. The size of the kidney in human adult 10 to 12 centimeter length and 2 to 3 centimeter width and 5 to 7 centimeter in width and 2 to 3 centimeter thickness, right? And each kidney is covered by a tough layer of fibrous connective tissue. This layer is called capsule. It is called capsule, right? Both the kidneys form approximate 1.5 to 1.8 liter urine per day. Okay, next, ureter. One pair of ureter present both sides of the vertebral column. Each ureter collects the urine from each kidney and transfer this urine inside of the urinary bladder. Third, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a bag-like structure. It is a bag-like structure which collects the urine comes from the ureter. When the urinary bladder will be filled up with urine, then it passes the urine outside with the help of urethra. It means urethra urethra passes the urine outside of the body. Okay, thank you. In next lecture I will explain the structure of kidney.